So, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about 1 minute scalping trade, how you can make a profit. Okay, so I can guarantee you with this 1 minute strategy, you can make the profit of 85% profit ratio you can make. Okay, that I can make sure of it. Profit almost, if you win, if you lost 2, 3 trade also, you can make a profit up to the 85%. That is guarantee for this strategy. Let's see how we are going to find those strategies over here and how it is going to work. Okay, so let us see. A scalping is a trade which you can go for only a less target point over the trade. So here I'm giving you like you can take 1:1.5 ratio or 1:2 ratio you can go, not more than that. It is only a scalping. We will trade short in a short period of time, make a profit and exit from the market. Okay, let us see what is the setup for my scalping. So first thing is gap. Gap is nothing but you already know fair value gap. Okay, so if you are not knowing the SMC concept of fair value gap, you just go and see my video. It is already there. You can able to find the gaps, what is meant by gap. Okay, so this you can see in middle candle should be a Marbuji candle, and the left and the right you have some wick candle. That entire part is called as what? Gap. This gap, okay, this gap is our entry. We are going to use when the market comes to fill this gap. So we have to go to the second setup is you need to find any 3 candle pattern which is appear in this area, fair value gap. Okay, this first step I have given a gap, no? This area, it is going to fit this 3 candle pattern. So the 3 candle pattern, I will tell you what are the 3 candle pattern you have to use. So that setup also I'm giving in this video. You kindly watch it. So you, once a 3 candle it is formed, you should find the high of the candle. Okay, high of the candle. So high is very important. The high is nothing but rejection is required. Okay, so that only we are getting a confirmation the market will go to what the direction we predict. This is the second step. Third step is like this. The gap, when this pattern comes to this area, we can go for a sell entry. See, for the sell entry thing, you can use this entry. This is our entry point. Okay, we can enter here, but your stop loss should be the reason high. Might be this high sometimes. So might be you have a fair value gap high. Here it is less. So sometimes you have a more high. That fair value gap candle high only you have to put. So it is going to be a 1:1.5 ratio, or you can go for a target of 1:2 ratio. Okay, that is also fine. Either any one you can use a target to trade. Okay, so I will give you the one step by step. What are the 3 candle patterns we can use in the market for make our entry? Okay, so let us see. For this fair value gap, we are making an entry. We have to see these kind of three candle gap. See, first 3 candle gap is in this area. You see, it's a 3 inside down pattern. I have shown you here which 3 candle pattern you should take. The 3 candle pattern is like full bull candle that is covered by the 2 red candle. Okay. Once that is covered, then we can go for a sell entry. Okay. That is what the thing here I have shown you that resistance point is nothing but my fair value gap. Once market fill this gap, I can go for a sell entry from this. This is the first entry. Okay. This is the first 3 candle pattern, 3 inside down. The similar pattern, little bit variation you will get for the 3 outside pattern. Okay, this pattern will be looked in this form. You see, the one green that is covered, already covered by the red. Then again, the red will be halfly exit from the previous red. That is what the next. So here also this resistance I am shown here is nothing but our fair value gap. Market fill this fair value gap. We are going to sell this trade. Okay. So this is the second. And third one is your evening start pattern. This pattern you might be very familiar. like 3 candle patterns. So that always all the 3 patterns, you should have some rejection. So here also you see very good rejection over there. Then you can use this. So in evening star pattern, mainly we will use some spinning or a hammer or an inverted hammer, right? In this case, you can go with a spinning or a hammer type candle. That is too good. And you can make an entry here. So here also I given which is a resistant. That is nothing but your fair value gap is a resistant area. When market fill that gap, this will go down. Okay, let us see practically in our platform area how we can use this kind of entries to make a sure enter. Let us see here. This is a candle which is just formed. We'll see how we will mark the area first. How I will going to find the fair value gap. So initially I am finding there is no gap at all. The market is not given any gap at all. Okay, so here I can find some displacement area candle at this place. So I just kept this one. Here is the gap. Okay, this is the gap. So actually when you see this is not that much gap, but always see one point you should remember. Whenever you take a gap candle, this candle shouldn't have any wick. That is very important. If it is mild wick, then it is fine. It's more wick, then avoid. So this is my fair value gap area. Okay, this is my FEG. I can take. Okay, I will write here. This is my FEG. So this FEG area, market is going to fill this. I'm just watching how it is going to fill. Okay, so once it is filled only, I have an enter. Let us see, wait for the area to market to reach. Okay, let us have the entry. So the market is coming to this area. We'll see, here you see, the market filled this gap. So we should enter here only. We have missed this trade. Okay, so let us see how the market is respected. So up to this low level, 1:1.5 risk reward ratio, we can trade. So this is a winning trade as the market is showing. Let us find the other one and we'll have a look into it. Okay, let us see a market which has a fair value gap. So here you see, this is also one gap. This is also one gap. But this gap, the market, it is not fully filled. Okay. This market is not given any chance of retracement at this point. So we don't have any entry over here. Okay. Let us find next level of entry, whether market is giving or not. Here you see, as of now, we have a gap over here. This is our gap. Okay, this is not a gap. This is a gap market easily generated. So you see that the last candle, it doesn't have any wick. So we can consider those candle as a form of pattern. So we'll see here. As of now, the market is not touched that level. We are waiting for the level to touch. Even though it is not touched, we'll wait. Still we'll wait. We have enough time. The market will have to reach. Then again, you see the market gives some gap over here, fair value gap. So I'm just waiting for this area. At least it is market is going to fill or not. So this is trying to fill. We'll see. Here you see this pattern is have a rejection. It is evening star, but it is not a complete evening star. So I will avoid it. Okay. So this kind of patterns will gives us a fake, small kind of fake values and it will go very fastly. Let us have a look into this area. Okay. We have waiting for those area. The market is giving to us which price action it is getting. Only we have to find. So this is the area market reach. It have some rejection. Here you see an evening star pattern you are getting. So this I can go for a sell entry after this and I can place up to the lower level to as a target. We'll see how the market is reacted. So it easily it will reach our area. Okay, so then now before coming this only, the market is giving us one more gap here. Okay, I will focus on that also if you have an opportunity. Okay, so what is a candle? Yeah, here you see This is a three candle pattern. It is given as a three inside down candle. So this is also one more price we can take. The second entry we can target up to the low we can target. Okay, one is to 1.5 ratio we can target it. So we'll see how the market has reacted. See, it reached the target. The first target also it reached, and the second target also it reached. So this is how we can easily make our entry with a proper one. It will never shows a failure of the entry. You can do a scalping very perfectly if you know the logical of the trade. Okay. So again, you see the market is giving more fair value gap. We have to wait up to that, and we have to check whether the area is reacted. If it is not reacted, if it is moving down again, you find that wherever there is a FVG is created. See, here is a FVG is created. The market came, we have a rejection, but we have a price pattern has appeared. Okay, so if you want to take a sell, you can go for a sell. So it's a high you can make, and this low only your target, not more than that. You can see the market will come, but it takes some time to reach. We'll see. If it is fake, it will give some double bottom pattern. If it is not, pattern is, see, like this double bottom pattern, then you can exit the trade. That is not at all a good one of entry of your trade. Okay, double bottom pattern, if it appear, then it is a fake. Here you see, it's an equal low pattern with the liquidity. It is a pattern is giving. Then we will exit the trade. We will never trade on that. Then we'll wait for the this entry. Market is giving a fair value gap at this place. We are waiting for that. When market comes, yes, we have a rejection, but the pattern is not yet complete. Okay, we'll wait for the pattern to gives us a confirmation. Then only we will enter the trade. Okay. So sometimes we will get a very fast confirmation. Sometimes we will not get any kind of confirmation. So here also the pattern forms, but now only you got some kind of confirmation here. Let us see one more candle. Yes, it is confirmed. So we can go for a sell entry after this. Make a high and make a entry to this low. Low is our target. Don't go beyond that. This low is a limit. You can make a little profit in that. Okay. So you can see the market reach. We can exit from our trade. Okay. This is how you can trade with the gap. So this only I have shown you for the downtrend. Same thing I can show for the uptrend also. You can see in uptrend, what is the setup of uptrend? Is a bullish Marbuji candle with a gap should be there. Here you can see the market is giving a gap. So I can mark the level of the gap. So this is a gap, okay, FEG. So what is the second setup? You should go for a reverse pattern, morning star pattern. You should go any three candle pattern. As I shown the before, the same way is you can go for three inside up candle, that kind of patterns you can go. So here you can see like this, you will get in the market, and you can set the target from those mid you can take, or you can take from that, but the low you should make a confirmation. The low is there, then only you have to enter the trade. Okay. So hope this video is very useful. So it's a very interesting, and you can make a profit in a very short period of time. As this is a gift for my Instagram followers, I have a 50K followers in my Instagram. You just check it my new updated video there. Yeah, keep watching. Thank you all.